Assalamu Alaikum everyone, and welcome to our Islamic quiz. In this video, we'll test your knowledge about Islam with 12 questions, from easy to a bit more challenging. For each question, you'll get 4 options and a few seconds to think before the answer is revealed. Let's begin and see how many you can get right out of 12. Question 1. What is the holy book of Islam called? A Bible, B. Quran, C. Torah, D. Vedas. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The right answer is the Quran. Question 2. Who is the last prophet in Islam? A. Prophet Moses, B. Prophet Isa, C. Prophet Muhammad, D. Prophet Abraham. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Question 3. How many times a day are Muslims required to pray? A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 1. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The answer is 5 times a day. Question 4. What is the month of fasting in Islam called? A. Shawwal, B. Ramadan, C. Muharram, D. Dhul Hijjah. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Ramadan. If you're enjoying this quiz so far, don't forget to like the video before we continue. Question 5. Which city is the holiest in Islam? A. Medina, B. Mecca, C. Jerusalem, D. Cairo. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Mecca. Question 6. What is the name of the pilgrimage Muslims try to perform at least once in their life? A. Umrah, B. Zakat, C. Hajj, D. Salat. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Hajj. Question 7. How many surahs are there in the Quran? A. 12, B. 98, C. 220, D. 114. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is 114 surahs. Question 8. How many pillars of Islam are there? A. 3, B. 5, C. 7, D. 10. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The answer is 5 pillars of Islam. Are you still with us? If you haven't already, give this video a like too. Support more Islamic quizzes like this. Question 9. Which of these is not a pillar of Islam? A. Shahada faith, B. Salat prayer, C. Psalm fasting, D. Yoga. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is yoga. Question 10. What is zakat in Islam? A. Prayer, B. Charity, C. Fasting, D. Pilgrimage. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The right answer is charity. Question 11. Who received the Quran from Allah? A. Prophet Isa, B. Prophet Musa, C. Prophet Muhammad, D. Prophet Ibrahim. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Question 12. What is the first month of the Islamic calendar? A. Muharram, B. Ramadan, C. Safar, D. Dhul Hijjah. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Muharram. That's the end of today's Islamic quiz. How many questions did you get right out of 12? Comment your score below and see how others did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic quizzes and knowledge videos. See you in the next one. Assalamu Alaikum.